Hello dear friend, today I would like to unbox this beautiful pen from AliExpress. It's like 7 Canadian dollar, and of course they add some box for the shipment. So as you see, it came like that. Here it's a pin itself, like so. There is nothing else, as you see here, and it's like quite heavy pen, not very heavy, but it's like comparing the price, I'm so surprised. Jinhao 750X. Now they make it x750. And here we go. That's the nib itself. And of course you can change it for Jinhao. And it's come with like reservoir, so and let's see. It's as you see here, 38 grams, and without inking. And the highest as you see here, it's 14 centimeters. And 1.5 centimeters. So that's all about it, and I would love to